Today I got PlayStation 5 controller, and as you can see guys, the USB is totally broken. So in this video I will try to change the USB. Before I start to change the USB, I just give you some informations. So PlayStation 5 controllers have three models. First model is a BDM dash 010. The second one BDM 0220, and the third one is BDM 030. They have two versions for the USB. They have version 1 and they have version 2. If you don't know which USB for your console, for the controller, if you see here, they have two models for the USB. This is the new model. It's work with version 2 and version 3, and this is the first generation or V1, and it's work with the first generation for PlayStation 5 controller. And the question is, how you know what type of version for your controller? This is the board for PlayStation 5 controller. Sometimes you see here or on this side, if you see here, BDM 020. And also you can check the USB. Before you buy any USB, you can check what type of USB do you have, and after that you can buy a USB. If you buy a wrong USB, the controller is not working after you change the port. Anyway, if you want to buy port, it's available on our shop. Let's start to fix this controller. I already opened the controller. I don't need to make a long video. So as you can see in this board, here's the model. It's BDM 020, and this is the type of the USB. So I will start to fix it now. As you can see, the USB is changed, and I will test it. So before you test it, you need to connect a battery for this board, and after that you can test it if it's working or it's not working. Let's see. Here you go. The board is fixed. The USB is awesome. So the port is available on our shop if you like to buy it. If you have any question, please leave a comment.